Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to fix Tinder app not opening. So if you are facing this problem and the Tinder app is not opening or crashing when you are trying to open it, so the first thing that you should do is to go to the App Store and look for Tinder app and see if the app need to be updated like this. If you see this blue icon of update, you have to update the app, because sometimes when the app is outdated, that may cause some problems for the app and the app will not work properly on your phone. So if the app is already up to date, after that you have to try to restart your phone, because sometimes by restarting your phone this problem will be solved. And if it's not, you have to try to delete the app and install it again to see if it will be working again or not. So you have to long press on the app, and after that click on remove the app and delete it, and after that go and install it again and restart your phone again. And if it's still not working, maybe the problem is with the app itself, or maybe the problem is with the new update of the app. So in that case, you may need to wait maybe for 1 or 2 weeks maximum for the app to release the new update, and after that install the new update on your phone, and hopefully the app will be working properly again on your phone. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.